in Raebareli is where all the excitement is. It's going to be a big show of strength in Raebareli as Rahul Gandhi is set to contest from the big Congress and Gandhi bastion. He's set to reach Raebareli at 11 a.m. we are told, and will directly head for a show of strength, a road show. There's going to be a big campaigning decision for her. Priyanka Gandhi's name was speculated. She's not contesting from Raebareli. It's Rahul Gandhi from Raebareli, which was held by Sonia Gandhi since 2004. Continuous victories from 2004 until 2019. And now this time it's going to be from Raebareli, Rahul Gandhi. That has been decided. We are told Mallikarjun Kharge, the party president, will accompany Rahul Gandhi in Raebareli. So who is it from Amethi? You're looking at the man on your screen. It's going to be KL Sharma, a Congress Gandhi family loyalist, has been associated with Rajiv Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi for a long time, specifically with regard to election management, but is not a big face. He's up against Smriti Irani. Can he take on Smriti Irani, defeat her? Will his ground sentiment help or not? Senior General Secretary of the Congress Party speaking. Let's listen in. It's Yogendra Mishra from the Congress.
की लिस्ट आई है, अमेठी से केएल शर्मा को प्रत्याशी बनाया गया, कैसे देख रहे हैं आप लोग? जो है
जो देखिए, निश्चित रूप से केएल शर्मा जी यहाँ जो आज कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता हैं, नेता हैं, सबसे एक पारिवारिक रिश्ता रहा है। 30 वर्षों से उन्होंने इस परिवार के साथ, गांधी परिवार के साथ यहाँ का काम देखा है। यहाँ के हर बूथ वर्कर को जानते हैं, यहाँ की सारी परिस्थितियों को जानते हैं और एक पारिवारिक सदस्य के रूप में यहाँ के लोग उनको जानते हैं, देखते हैं। तो इसमें कोई कमी नहीं है। वो भी गांधी परिवार के सदस्य हैं। उन्होंने अपने 30-35 वर्ष उस परिवार के लिए दिया है।
नहीं, जिस तरह से आप लोग प्रयास गांधी परिवार के सदस्य को लेकर, मतलब उनके राहुल गांधी या प्रियंका गांधी को लेकर एक आशा थी आप लोग की, उस पर
गांधी परिवार ही मानते हैं हम लोग, और पूरा गांधी परिवार आ भी रहा है।
महामंत्री जी, एक सवाल इसमें ये बनता है, विपक्ष का एक अभी बयान आया है, पक्ष का ही बयान आया इसमें कि राहुल गांधी जी डर गए, इसीलिए उन्होंने अमेठी ना लेकर रायबरेली लिया स्मृति ईरानी से।
देखिए, राहुल जी डरने वाले नहीं नेता हैं, न उनका परिवार इसका इतिहास रहा है जो अंग्रेजों से नहीं डरे। देश की एकता अखंडता के लिए अपनी जान तक देने के लिए जो लोग तैयार रहे, जो परिवार है, वो डरने वाला परिवार नहीं है। आने वाला समय बताएगा कि राहुल जी नहीं, उनके सिपह सालार स्मृति ईरानी जी को हराने के लिए सक्षम है। उनके परिवार के सदस्य उनको हराने के लिए सक्षम है। यहाँ का कांग्रेस का एक सिपाही उनको हराने के लिए सक्षम है और चुनाव हारेंगी, बुरी तरीके से हारेंगी।
कांग्रेस की लिस्ट आई है, अमेठी से केएल शर्मा को प्रत्याशी बनाया गया, कैसे देख रहे हैं आप लोग? जो है
देखिए, निश्चित रूप से केएल शर्मा जी यहाँ जो आज कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता हैं, नेता हैं, सबसे एक पारिवारिक रिश्ता रहा है।
So this, remember, is going to be now the big battle with regard to, yes, Raebareli, a safe seat for Rahul Gandhi. But then what happens to Amethi? Has the Congress party given up on the Amethi seat, which has been for the longest time, had been associated with the Gandhi family and associated with the Congress party? But remember, amid all of this, the Congress leaders who had said, nobody's scared. What happens to that statement now? BJP first reaction, Manjinder Singh Sirsa on Rahul Gandhi now contesting from the safer seat.
राहुल गांधी जी वायनाड से हार रहे हैं, इसलिए अब वो रायबरेली से चुनाव लड़ने जा रहे हैं। पहले उन्होंने अमेठी से हार मानी, छोड़कर भागे, अब वायनाड को छोड़कर भागे और हालात ऐसे बन गए हैं कि अमेठी सीट जो उनके परिवार की सीट मानी जाती थी, वहां से कुछ चुनाव लड़ने को तैयार नहीं है। पंजाब से केएल शर्मा जी को लाया गया है कि आप ही चुनाव लड़ लीजिए, कोई कार्यकर्ता टिकट देने को तैयार नहीं है। और अमेठी को तबाह करने के बाद, वायनाड से भागने के बाद, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं, इस बार उनको रायबरेली से भी भागना पड़ेगा। इस बार रायबरेली के लोग उनको सबक सिखाएंगे और दूसरे नंबर पर उनको लाएंगे। हार का मुंह उनको रायबरेली से भी देखना पड़ेगा।
All right, so that means for now the names are clear. BJP has jumped in. Expected response from the Bharatiya Janata Party, focusing on how Amethi does not have a Gandhi sibling. Is this a fear? Are they running away from a solid fight? And remember, boost in many ways to Smriti Irani as well, who was awaiting first Rahul Gandhi, who she had challenged, And then there was the name of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also, and she's not even contesting from either of the seats. Abhishek Mishra is in Amethi, where the supporters are still coming to terms, because now who do they campaign for with regard to the Gandhi family? While it's a three-way contest with BSP, India Bloc Alliance and the BJP, Abhishek, the people you were getting after the announcement were still not sure, because they still wanted to believe it's going to be a Rahul Gandhi or a Priyanka. How will this be seen on the ground by the cadre? Because Jairam Ramesh said nobody's scared. But does this mean that they are not willing to take the chance and the risk against Smriti Irani?
Well, certainly, if Rahul Gandhi would have decided to come here, then it would have been a different picture. But what is now happening, KL Sharma, he will be filing nomination. Let's speak to some of the cadre members and, who was there, are constantly working. ये बताइए, आपको क्या लग रहा है, अब केएल शर्मा जी यहाँ से नामांकन करेंगे, उतना ही उत्साह है, उतना ही सेंटिमेंट है, कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा? लोग तो आपको तो कह रहे थे राहुल
नहीं, हम लोग तो यही जानते थे कि राहुल जी लड़ेंगे, लेकिन जो भी निर्णय शीर्ष नेतृत्व का है उस पर हम लोग बढ़ चढ़ के मेहनत करेंगे, और वोट तो जनता को करना होता है ना, तो जीत तो जनता की होगी।
आपके हाव भाव बता रहे हैं कि इतनी आपको खुशी नहीं है, इतना उत्साह नहीं है जो कल आप लोग कह रहे हैं।
आप हाव भाव और खुशी में कोई कमी नहीं है, बस आपको ये लगता है जैसे आपके कोई मालिक हो कि मालिक लड़ रहा है, फिर हो रहा है कि नहीं घर का छोटा भाई लड़ेगा, तो इतना थोड़ा बहुत तो अंतर आता है, लेकिन वो थोड़ी देर क्षणिक होता है।
अच्छा, कैंपेनिंग अब बदल जाएगी क्या? क्योंकि आप लोग स्मृति ईरानी के खिलाफ जिस तरीके का कैंपेन प्लान कर रहे थे, अब तो वो कह रही हैं कि 7 लाख पार 8 लाख पार हो जाएगा।
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। हम लोग तन मन लगा के जो है भाई साहब को जिताएंगे, ऐसा कोई कुछ नहीं है।
ये कहा जा रहा है, बीजेपी ये भी कह रही है कि राहुल जी तो हिम्मत ही नहीं कर पाए यहाँ से लड़ने की। क्या
देखिए, आदरणीय राहुल गांधी जी कर्मभूमि है और पूजनीय राजू जी की कर्मभूमि रही है, उनके रास्ते पे चल रहे हैं। अमेठी मांगे राहुल गांधी, एक 43 साल का जो इतिहास है वो दोहराया जाएगा अंतिम क्षणों में।
उम्मीद है आपको अंतिम क्षणों में कुछ होगा? आपको लग रहा है अंतिम क्षणों में कुछ होगा? अभी भी उम्मीद है क्या?
मैं कुछ नहीं उम्मीद है,
केएल शर्मा ही लड़े
जी।
सपोर्ट मिलेगा यहाँ पर?
नहीं, राहुल गांधी को खाली,
राहुल गांधी को। You heard the voices of the voters, Pooja, and they, workers are still, are saying that yes, KL Sharma is our candidate, we'll support him. He is as equal as, a member of a Gandhi family. But of course, it's going to have a different situation now. And the BJP, who is constantly targeting now, even saying that Rahul could not dare to get on the ground from Amethi, the seat he lost in 2019. So yes, indeed, it is not as exciting for them as it would have been for Rahul or either Priyanka or any other, member. But yes, the name has come, and we are expecting in afternoon after 12, KL Sharma is expected to file his nomination. But as of now, the preparations are still
I'm
there.
told,
and,
Abhishek, that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has arrived in Uttar Pradesh and will be heading to most likely Raebareli. In Amethi, you can sense they, of course, will not go against any leader. They want to campaign, whoever it will be. But you could sense, unlike in Raebareli, that they are trying to stand by the Congress party, but they expected a Rahul or a Priyanka to contest. Remember when this year started, when the Nyaya Yatra was happening, when the Congress slogans were putting out, the big slogan was Saho mat, daro mat. Daro mat was that big slogan by the Congress party. Many are saying, has there been a dar that has creeped in with regard to this constituency for Amethi, a strongest bastion for decades, since 1967. So throughout the 70s, 80s, held almost always by the Gandhi family. This time, it will be Mr. KL Sharma, a loyalist of the party, but not a big face and not from the family. Meanwhile, Raebareli is, of course, where a lot of enthusiasm is happening. You're looking at on the ground visuals of who are the now big candidates. KL Sharma from Amethi against Smriti Irani. From Raebareli is going to be Rahul Gandhi versus Dinesh Pratap Singh, who's been a minister with the UP government and a former Congress leader. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra out for now. We are told that the senior leadership of the Congress party had asked her, implored her to contest. She has taken the decision to not contest for now, despite all the support and the enthusiasm with regard to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. But Rahul Gandhi decided now contesting from Raebareli, and that is the big question. Should he have taken on the fight, even if that meant a defeat? Because he would have most likely won from Wayanad, but it would have seen a strong fight against an incumbent MP. And now we are waiting for that first statement of Smriti Irani. She had been challenging Rahul Gandhi to contest. What will she say now that Rahul Gandhi has moved to the constituency of Raebareli? Abhishek Mishra continues to be with us from Amethi. Abhishek, so what is the plan now? Because if Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, will she come to Amethi to contest for KL, to campaign for KL Sharma, or will she head toward Raebareli and then campaign for the brother Rahul Gandhi? Because you need, even with KL Sharma, he may know the ground. He needs a face, however, from the party to campaign with him.
Well, Pooja, that remains to be seen, because as of now, there is no information about Priyanka or Rahul, either of them coming to Amethi right now. Most probably, Priyanka will join Rahul for the nomination in Raebareli. She also has a public meeting 3 in the afternoon in Fatehpur Sikri. So there she also needs to reach. And also, it is important in terms of giving some boost to the cadre on the ground level, because we have seen a lot of workers who are saying that, they still want them to come. So there is a possibility that at the last moment, if Priyanka or Rahul or, any one of them... Okay.